that suddenly we were able to strip away in the last 6 months. We've removed £100,000 off onto our bottom line effectively by the G Suite.
Hedges Law is a law firm based in Oxford, and they reached out to us looking for a trusted Google partner that could carry them through the G Suite journey. Hedges understood that going Google isn't just a simple flick of a switch, but they embraced that by changing the way they work, and we guided them along the way. As a law firm, Hedges are very security conscious, and the Microsoft architecture couldn't meet their anywhere, any device business needs. We pulled out all the stops for Hedges, consulting them along the G Suite journey on all fronts: security, technical setup and configuration, change management and process optimization. We removed the tech barriers to business growth and significantly reduced Hedges' operational tech costs, and we're super excited to continue our work with Hedges Law. Here's a little snippet of what Wayne Pollock, Director of Operations at Hedges, has to say.
So we had an application that was sitting in a cloud world by our provider, very expensive cloud world, which was a Microsoft world, falling over frequently, VPN problems, everything. And these guys were meant to be world class at it. And just by suddenly switching over to a true cloud, we had a choice, 365 or G Suite. But if we went down the 365 route, we had to spend a ton of money and a whole lot of workarounds to get security around data. So there was no way we were going to go down the 365 route. So that transition for me was handled by Cobry, absolutely flawless. I am so glad I said, please do it, guys, because it was just one of those other things that I didn't have to worry about, and I could actually make sure that everything was done from a security perspective. The transition over and the support for the users, if they had any questions, was just taken care of. Rather than pay for support that our users probably won't use much of, is actually invest in support training. So this is about how we actually drive productivity from the product. So it's the same spend, but it's far more beneficial on your bottom line. Our solicitors and support team, the younger ones a lot more savvy, but the older solicitors I thought were going to be quite a challenge, and I've been blown away how they've adopted it. Being able to set up a meeting with just one link and one click is huge. In our world, wills at the moment are huge, and it's generally the older generation that want these wills more so. And therefore, within, I think it was 2 days of us going live, it's about April the 3rd, one of our junior lawyers was saying to a couple in their 70s who had just got their first tablet, he said, I'll send you a link, an email, and we'll have an online will meeting, getting ready to do the signing. And at the end of that will session, they both said to him, this has been, we don't even know anything how to, really use any of this technology. It was so simple to have this meeting with you. And they spent about an extra hour. They were showing the valuables on screen. So for us, we were going, oh my gosh, this is just incredible. So it wasn't just us internally, it was our clients coming in. To be able to send one cut and paste, I mean, all of us probably just use the Google Calendar, of course, but to send it to someone who's on Hotmail or whatever, just one link that all they have to do is click on that. No password, none of this malarkey that all the others take you through, and you're in the meeting securely is just, for me, night and day. Why would you use anything else?
So there you have it, folks. 100,000 off the bottom line, increased collaboration and vastly improved security, all through the power of Cobry and G Suite. If you want to find out more, head over to cobry.co.uk.